Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a quick eye look using the Alamar palette. This is, we got this in a Boxycharm. There's the Reina del Caribe palette. We got it in Boxycharm over the summer and I absolutely love it. Unfortunately, there's no mirror in it, but those are the shades. They're super pretty. So I'm just gonna hop right in because I don't want this to be a really long video. And I'm going to need a mirror. So I'm grabbing my Huda palette just so that I have a mirror to use. So I'm going to start going in with Coco Taxi, this orangey shade right here. And this is going to be my transition shade. Again with Coco Taxi, just for the other eye. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with this deeper orange, and I'm just going to deepen my crease a little bit. Back in with that deeper orange. It's called Tropico. I took this palette on vacation with me over the summer and I loved it. Okay, now on a different brush, I'm going to dip into Guantanamera. I don't know how to say that. This one down there. There's a little bit of kick up, but that doesn't really bother me too much as long as the palette is good. And this palette is very good. Ooh, it's sliding down. So I'm just deepening the outer corners. And once I have the color placed in the outer corner, then I'll drag it through the crease. I'm going to take my Tom Ford brush and I'm going to go back in with the light Coco Taxi color. And I'm just going to use that to kind of blend out my edges. Same for this eye. I just want to soften those lines around so they don't look as harsh. And last but not least, for this part of the eye anyway, I'm going to go in with Cafcito, this brown one, and I'm going to put that in my very outer corner. Back with the Tom Ford with nothing else on it. And I'm just softening Okay. Now I'm going to take this Malecon shade. I cannot pronounce any of these freaking things. I'm going to take that, and I'm just going to take it right on my finger. Look how stunning that is. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. I like using my finger with these kinds of shades because it always gives you the most bang for your buck. This shade is super pretty. Okay, now I'm going to take just my little brush again. I'm going to dip it into that deeper red color, and I'm just going to blend the edges of that shade. All right, I do have a little bit of fallout, mostly from that glittery shade, but that just wipes away. Okay, now I'm going to, I need a different brush. Sorry. So now I'm going to go in with Celia right here. It's the lighter blue color, just on a pencil brush. And that's going to go underneath my lower lash line. Because I want to pop a color. I mean, just dry even. These shades are amazing. And you can use these wet. And when you use them wet, holy man, pigment. All right. For, what do I have left to do? I need, for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use La Costa, which is this one right here. And I'm also going to put a little bit of that same La Costa shade just right under my brow bone as a brow bone highlight. And now I'm going to quickly jump off camera and do my lashes and my liner. I'm back. So for my liner today, I switched it up. I used the Ciate Fierce Flicks eyeliner in black. On my lower lash line, I used Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Chaos. For mascara, I'm using the MAC Bold and Bad Lash. This stuff is great. And on my lips, I just have on the Punch Pop by Benefit in the shade Sugar Cookie. Love this stuff. I've been obsessed with glosses lately. Anyways, let me show you the look. I love this palette. I think this palette is absolutely stunning. My hair is such a mess. Oh my goodness. I should do something with that. Especially now that my face looks all done up. My hair looks pretty ratchet. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in today and watching this quick eye tutorial. If you like these kinds of videos, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you would like to be notified, then hit the bell.